channel. So I am kind of rushing to record this video, and I will do my best to post it on Thursday. It's darker than usual as I'm recording, so I'm sorry if the light quality is not the best, but it's late in afternoon. I have been working all day teaching through the FaceTime and Zoom and all that stuff. So anyway, I want to do this video because Sephora VIB sale is coming up this Friday, so I'm gonna do my best to post this video on Thursday. So hopefully, you know, give you guys some suggestions. I want to tell you what's in my cart already because I am ready for the sale, and I also want to give you some suggestions, you know, in case you wanted to get something. I hope you like this kind of video. This is the first time I'm doing this. I usually show you a haul. So this time I'm gonna show you what's in my cart, and I hope I'll get most of the things. You know, I'm still kind of playing around with that, but we'll see. Anyway, let's do it. Alrighty, I'm gonna be looking on my iPad because everything is there, and the first thing I see is there's going to be some delays in delivery, obviously, because we know why. And you know, the only thing I'm kind of bummed out about is the fact that the Sephora store itself is still closed, so I won't be able to go and see, you know, because I usually place an order online and then I like to go and check things out at the store. But anyway, all right, so I have a few things that I'm kind of stacking up on, the things that I normally use, and I have a few things that are new to me that I just want to try. So in no particular order, let's start with the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self Refreshing Foundation. I have never tried that foundation, but I do have like a little samples of the colors, so I kind of know which one I'm getting, which is 120 ivory color. So there's a lot of good reviews, and I tried the samples and I really like that, so I have decided to pick up that foundation. Let me know if any of you are using that foundation, if you're familiar with that foundation. I would like to know, and hopefully, you know, I'm gonna like it as much as I did the sample. All right, the next thing, I'm always, you guys, on the hunt for a good eye primer. I am using NARS. I use the Bare Minerals, which is pretty good. NARS, I'm gonna say so-so. I've heard a lot about the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish eyeshadow primer, so hopefully that will be a hit. That's $22, so always can save a little bit, 20%. By the way, all the information regarding the sale, I'm gonna put it in the description box, as well as all the things that I'm talking about will be in the description box. All right, another thing which is on my wish list is this is going to be a repurchase. I have it on me. This is the Alpha H, and this is the liquid gold with glycolic acid. I have probably like half of that bottle left, and I really like this, you know, for I use it like, I'm gonna say like every other day, and I took a little break from it, but this is pretty expensive. That's about 60, let me check, yeah, it's $60. So, you know, I thought it would be a good opportunity to kind of repurchase, because like I said, it looks like I have only like, I can feel it, it's hard to see it, like probably a half of the bottle left. So I'm thinking to repurchase this because, you know, sooner or later I just kind of use it, then I take a little break, then I use it again. So that's just something that it's on my wish list. Caudalie hand cream, I didn't bring it with me, but I share with you guys that many times. Caudalie hand cream is the best. It's $15. I'm probably gonna get 2 of them, you know, so it's what, $30. So I'm gonna save about $6, 20% off. Yeah, I mean, it's always helpful. Now, recently I told you guys that I've been really loving the Olaplex shampoo. So I am going to buy a 250 ml bottle. That's a price of $28, and I really like that shampoo. And the good things, the little bit goes a long way. I mean, I literally take like a pea-size amount, and I, you know, kind of, and I have a lot of hair, but I distribute it, you know, and it's just foams so nicely, lathers up so nicely. I love that shampoo. So conditioner is so-so. I feel like, you know, I can get away with any conditioner, but I really do like the shampoo. And I still have those kind of a decent sizes of you know, their treatments. I think it was like leave-in conditioner and the treatment, so I feel like that will last me for a while, so I'm not gonna repurchase those, but I'll be definitely buying the Olaplex shampoo. All right, the next thing on my list is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So this cleansing balm comes in this kind of a purple tube, and I don't know, I use like 1/3 of it right now, so I still have quite a lot of left, but hey, it's a sale, it's a good opportunity to stock up on your favorites. So I love this cleanser. This is probably my favorite. I tried so many in the past. If you are looking for a good cleanser that will break your you know, your makeup, take off all the makeup, and it's brilliant. It's brilliant. Of course, I still use my Clarisonic after this with another cleanser, but this one is just for breaking down all the makeup and just taking it off, and then I follow up with, you know, with a proper cleanser. So I highly recommend Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. All right, the next thing on my list, the next thing that I have in my cart is Gucci lipstick. I haven't tried Hermes lipstick. I haven't tried any Gucci lipsticks or Givenchy or any of those, you know, super Tom Ford-ish high-end lipsticks. But Blaze of Noon, that's a color 200, Blaze of Noon, seems like it's so pretty, and I've seen it on many YouTubers, so I think I'm gonna splurge. It's $42, so I'm gonna save, what, $8.40? It's a good deal, so I'm gonna definitely try the Gucci lipstick. That's gonna be obviously something new for me. Something that I love and I use a lot, you guys, is those cottons. I brought it with me from Sashida. These are amazing. So I have, this is my last full package. I have one more that it's kind of opened, so I'm gonna get probably 2 of those. I love those cottons. Highly recommend those, as well as the Chanel's are so good as well, but Sephora doesn't sell Chanel. Another thing that I think I'm gonna repurchase is I brought it with me as well. This is the Fenty hydrating primer. I love this, you guys. I have like this much left. I know it's hard to see on this bottle, but I have less than a half left, and I love this primer. I feel like it really gives me a lot of hydration to my skin before any foundation. It works with every single foundation. I highly recommend. If you are on the dryish side, you know, with your skin like me, I think you're gonna love this primer, and it's not that expensive. It's $32, you know, so it's a good opportunity to save either 20, 15 or 10%. Really good primer. Another thing that I'm using a lot, and I didn't take it with me to show you, but it's a secret brightening powder from Laura Mercier that I always set my concealer with. It comes with the little jars. I'm gonna definitely get this as well. I have one as a backup, but you know, I love it so much, so I'm gonna take one as well. And then recently, you guys, I started using my SK2 facial treatment essence. It's, as you can see, I barely started. This is a brand new bottle, so I'm not sure if I should get one or I should just wait till the next sale, because this is gonna last me for quite some time. So I might skip on this one, but I do have it in my cart. But I took a little break from this couple of months, and now I'm kind of back on this, and I'm loving it. I don't know, it's something in this for sure that is just giving me such a beautiful skin. So I'm thinking to get, they have like an entire set that comes with the little toner as well as a face mask, and it's $99. So you know, it is pricey, but again, I would save almost $20 on it, so might be worth it. Another thing that is on my wish list is Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I don't have it, I've never used it, but I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I just want to try it. That mascara costs $25. Another thing on my wish list is a Pat McGrath Labs concealer. So do I need another concealer? No. I recently started using my Chanel concealer, which is amazing, but I don't know, I just want to try. It's $32, you know, so I can save a little bit money on it. It has amazing reviews and I've heard a lot of good things about this concealer, so I just want to try it. The last thing that is going to be my usual repurchase during the, you know, the sale is the Beauty Blender cleanser. I didn't take it with me because it's all like wet, but it's basically, I'm gonna insert a photo. It's a black, it comes in a black box, and you can just I just throw my Beauty Blender in it, like, because I clean it every day. That tub really lasts me for, I'm gonna say 4 months or maybe more. So I always like to have at least one backup, so that's something that I'm gonna be definitely buying. It costs $45, so what, $8-9 I can save on it. You know, it might be worth it. You know, there's like so many things that you can get during the Sephora sale, and I was looking at the, you know, eyeshadows, powders, other stuff, and I was thinking like, what do I really need? None of the eyeshadows really kind of excites me, but if you are looking for a good one, let's say you want to try something more luxurious, I would certainly suggest to get Tom Ford quads. They are beautiful. I own 4 of them. Today's makeup, I have Tom Ford, all of them. Those quads, you cannot go wrong with it. You have to look at the colors and see whichever kind of work the best with you, which one is speaking up to you the best, and I would certainly pick up one of those because they're like, what, in the 80 something dollars, so you can certainly, you know, save some money. Get your foundation, you know, that's another thing, the foundation that you like the most, or the foundation that you always wanted to try, and you know, that's a good opportunity to save some money. My favorite is the Guerlain. I'm gonna link it down below so you can check it out. Guerlain foundation is just amazing. You know, foundations can get a little bit pricey, so saving a little bit money on that, you know, it's always a great thing. So Guerlain foundation, you know, any of the YSL foundations are amazing. Dior, you know, whichever you like the best. Of course, concealer, powders, you know, I don't need any powders, but if you're looking for a good pressed powder, I would highly suggest to get La Mer. As you can see, mine is very much loved, and I do have a backup of this, so this time I'm not gonna buy a new one. I obviously have you know, still like half of this left, maybe less than that, but I do have a backup. It is expensive item. Mine is in translucent color 02. It is expensive item, so you can save some money just, you know, during the sale. Also, Charlotte Tilbury makes a beautiful powder. I've never tried, but I heard it's really good. Any good lipsticks, you know, that you want to try, and I just think it's a good opportunity to get things that you normally wouldn't want to spend money on. Another thing that I would suggest, if you're looking for a good serum, I am such a big lover of Dior serums. So this is how the bottle looks like, and this particular one is a Lift Sculptor. I really like this one. I also like the Plumper. It's like a white, it looks, the bottle is exactly the same, but it says like a plumping serum. I love the plumping serum as well. I do have like a deluxe sizes of the other 2 serums. Let me show you. The green one, I love the green one. This is Intense Rescue. I love this one, and it's so easy to distribute on the face. I'm almost actually done with this. And Glow Booster, to be honest with you, was not my favorite. I did have a full size of this Glow Booster. some time ago and I did use it up, but it wasn't my favorite. I'm actually mixing this with this because I don't like this one on its own. So yeah, either the green, you know, the yellow or the white one are my favorite, and these are pricey, you guys. So if you're looking for a good skincare, you know, this is a good thing to try. So I would highly recommend this. Also Dior moisturizer, amazing. I mean, any of those is just amazing. So those are basically the things that I'm gonna get that I have in my cart currently. I might be editing something and, you know, adding something. You just never know. I will definitely do the haul once I receive my order. And yeah, let me know. I would like to know what you are getting during that sale. Maybe you can help me out. You know, but if I were you, just definitely stock up on the things that you love, that you're using, and get the things, if you have a little money left, get the things that you would normally wouldn't buy, you know. So I was talking about the Tom Ford and other stuff. Oh, by the way, the Tom Ford eyeliner, oh my god, this thing is amazing, you guys. Costs a tons of money, but it's gonna last you for at least 6 months. So it's double-sided, you know, so that's another bonus. So that's something which I, you know, use all the time, so I'll highly recommend as well. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. This will give you a little bit more idea of maybe what to buy, and especially what I'm buying, right? So yeah, let me know what's on your list. I would like to know, and I'll do my best to post this video on Thursday. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Bye guys.